じゃあロビオを食べてみたいと思います。これは非常にジョージアではもう人気のお料理でして、豆を中心にして作られております。でこのちょっと粘り気があるのはくるみが入ってます。くるみが非常にまろやかさを生んでいて、大人も子供もよく食べる人気なものですね。はい、家庭でよく作ります。あと非常にスパイスが効いてますけど、美味しいですね、本当に。注目していただきたいんです。この手前のこちらのパン、一見パンですけれども、これはジョージアでよく、特にこのロビオと一緒に食べられるジャディというコーン、トウモロコシで作ったパンなんですね。これがだいぶちょっと中はしっとりしてまして、よくこのコンビネーションでジョージアでは、いただくことが多いです。
Now we're going to prepare beans, Robio in Georgian. We will need the following ingredients. We're going to need the beans. We will need green onions, green pepper, some coriander, tomato sauce, then onions, garlic, some walnut paste like we used before, salt, oil and butter. So initially what we need to do is to boil the beans, and once the beans are boiled, we will make sure that they're not too dry, so they have to look like this. So this is just the beans that have been boiled in the water, but we made sure that to leave some water so it has this more like soup-like texture. Once the beans are ready and boiled, we just put it aside and we get started with the sauce. So we just applied some oil and now we're adding the onions. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add some water to the walnut sauce to make it a little thinner in texture. Okay, I can immediately add it to the boiled beans. We're gonna mix it. So, green onions, green pepper, just a little bit of coriander. The remaining I'll apply in the end. Just mix it well. Tossons to the onions because they have cooked well and they have very golden color. Okay, sorry. Now I'm gonna add some Georgian spices. It's called Wutz Neili. Okay, and we continue mixing. Okay, my mother is telling me to already add the onions as well. Okay, so my mother's sauce is already ready. Onions with tomato sauce. I'm gonna add that. The final touch would be to mash it well. It is not necessary to mash it like all the beans. You can leave some for the texture. Remaining paprika. Okay, let me just add this. Okay, some she's adding more paprika. And finally, we're just gonna add some coriander, which is gonna make it pretty for serving. Now we are gonna prepare mchadi, which is a Georgian cornbread. So it's very easy to make. Just two ingredients that we need. It's the corn flour and the water. I'm gonna start applying the water. So we will be mixing it with our hands until it has a firm structure, like this. So all of it should be mixed very well. Okay, so like this. We're getting close to the desired structure. I'll just need some more water. Thank you. Maybe some more in the bottom. Thank you. To make sure that it's coming from the top. Pasta pass. Okay, the other dish is already ready. So which way would you prefer us to do it? Because it's gonna need like 30 minutes to cook. I'm gonna apply the cornbread ball actually to the hot pan. So just make this like this. And we will make sure to spread it well, like this. And sometimes we just like to make one circle inside because the air gets in and it's much better for cooking. So I'm gonna apply the cover and let's wait for around 30 minutes. Okay, we will use the plate to easily remove it so you see how it looks. Okay, and now we will do the other side, and we won't put any longer the head of the pan so it dries